Hello dear children, this is class 6 physics class. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed revision of chapter number 6 magnetism. Now we will start the revision of chapter number 1 matter. Now come to page number 4. We will see some questions. Here write or choose the correct answer. Question number 1 is given, dash is anything that has mass and occupies space. So the right answer is matter. Question number 2. The particles of matter are called dash. Answer is molecules. Question number 3. Molecules are made of a combination of similar atom only. It is true. Question number 4. Molecules of a material always attract each other. True. Now come to the page number 6. Write the correct answer. Question number 1. Arrange solid, liquid and gases in order of increasing molecular space. So answer will be like this. First we have to write down solids, liquids and gases. Question number 2. Dash has a fixed shape and size. Answer is solids. Third, question number 3. Dash have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Answer is liquids. Liquids have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Question number 4. Dash have neither fixed shape nor volume. Answer is gases. Now come to the page number 8. Exercise. Section A. In section A it is given fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The intermolecular force dash from material to material. Answer is varies. The intermolecular space varies from material to material. Question number 2. The particles of matter always show dash towards each other. Answer is attraction towards each other. Question number 3. The molecules in a solid, the molecules in a dash do not move around. Answer is solid. The molecules in a solid do not move around. Question number 4. Dash causes expansion in liquids. Heating causes expansion in liquids. Question number 5. The different state of matter are dash, dash and dash. Solid, liquid and gases. 6. Ice melt to form dash. Ice melt to form liquid or water. Now section B. State whether the following statement are true or false. For true, write T. For false, write F. And correct the false statement. Let us see. Some molecules can be seen with the help of naked eyes. It is false. No molecules can be seen with the help of naked eye. Question number 2. An element is a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical means. It is true. Third part, question number 3. Solid can be beaten into thin sheets. True. Fourth, molecules can be made of same type of atoms only. It is false. Molecules can be made of same or different types of elements. Question number 5. The intermolecular force is same in all kinds of material. False. The intermolecular force is different in all kinds of material. Different in different kinds of material. Question number 6. The different state of matter are interchangeable. True. Now come to the C section. Here choose the correct options. Dash are called the building block of matter. Options are given here in option number 1 A, atom, molecules, elements, none of these. So right option is B, molecules. Question number 2. Which of these do not have fixed volume? Options are A, solids, B, liquids, C, gases, D, both A and B. Both B and C. The right option is C, gases. Now, question number 3. The molecules of a gas are dash packed. Options are A, tightly, B, loosely, C, laterally, D, none of these. So right option is B, loosely. Fourth, dash can be compressed easily. Options are A, solids, B, liquids, C, gases, D, both B and C. The right option is A, solids. Fifth question is, dash take the shape of container they are poured in. Options are A, solids, B, liquids, C, gases, D, both B and C. Right option is B. It takes the shape of the container they are poured in. Sixth question is, the intermolecular forces are the strongest in. Options are A, solids, B, liquids, C, gases, and D, all of these. So intermolecular forces are the strongest in. The right option is A, solids. Now come to the section D, match the columns. In column A, there are two columns given, column A and column B. In column A, questions are given, most rigid. Question number 2, fixed volume, indefinite shape. C, maximum intermolecular space. Fourth, solid or liquid. Fifth, liquid to solid. And in column B, it is given A part, heating, B, gas, C, solid, D, cooling, E, liquid. So now let us match this. First, most rigid, the right option is solid. Second, fixed volume, indefinite shape, the right option is liquid. C, maximum intermolecular space, gas, B is the right option. Fourth, solid to liquid, heating. Fifth, liquid to solid, right option is D, cooling. Now we will see the next part, which is from short and precise. Page number 9. Section B. Give reason for the following statement. The first question is given, solid have a fixed shape and size. Why? Give reason. Solid have a fixed shape and size due to less intermolecular space between them is the right answer. Now question number 2. Solids expand very little on heating. Answer is solid expand very little on heating due to strong intermolecular force of attraction. Question number 3. The fragrance of incense sticks is spread out in air to a distance. Why? Answer is because of the zigzag motion of air molecules or random motion of the air molecules. Now question number 4. Molecules of gases move freely in all the direction. Why? Answer is because intermolecular force of attraction in gases is almost negligible. Question number 5. Liquid expand more than solids. Why? Answer is due to weak intermolecular force of attraction, liquid expand more than solids. These are the answer for this section. Now, children, we will see next topic in the next class. Thank you.